Think saving $500 in just 1 month is impossible? I used to think the same, until I actually did it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I managed to save $500 in just 30 days. No side hustle, no winning the lottery, and definitely no extreme budgeting. Just simple, smart money choices that anyone can apply, starting today. Welcome to the Money Map. On this channel, we talk all about smarter money moves, saving strategies, and practical ways to take control of your finances. If you're looking to build better money habits without feeling overwhelmed, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Why you wanted to save money? Last month, I realized I needed to start saving seriously. I didn't have an emergency fund, and even small, unexpected expenses started to feel overwhelming. That's when it hit me. I needed to take control of my spending and build a safety net for myself, no matter how small the steps were. So I set a challenge: save $500 in 30 days. So I set a goal to save $500 in just 30 days. When you break it down, that's about $16 a day. At first, it sounded tough, especially with regular bills and daily expenses. But once I shifted my mindset and got intentional with my habits, I realized it was totally doable. Small changes really do add up when you stay consistent. Step-by-step plan. Here's exactly what I did. First, I cut out my daily coffee runs. Those $4 lattes really add up over a month. Then, I went through my bank statements and canceled subscriptions I wasn't using. I also took a weekend to declutter and sold a few unused items online, things just lying around that brought in quick cash. On top of that, I started using cashback apps for my regular shopping, which gave me small savings that added up. I limited how much cash I allowed myself to carry each week, which helped me avoid impulse spending. And finally, I committed to meal prepping instead of eating out. That alone saved me more than I expected. What worked best and what was hard? Out of everything I tried, meal prepping saved me the most. I used to spend a lot on takeout without even realizing it, so cutting that out made a big difference. I won't lie, saying no to takeout was tough at first, especially on busy days. But once I saw how much I was saving each week, it gave me the motivation to stick with it. Watching that number grow kept me going. By the end of the 30 days, I had saved $523, even more than I planned. Honestly, I was surprised by how quickly the small changes added up. I didn't feel like I was missing out on anything major, and yet I ended the month with over $500 in savings. It proved to me that with a little focus and consistency, reaching your money goals is absolutely possible. If I can do this without making huge sacrifices, so can you. I didn't change my whole life or take on extra jobs. I just got a little more intentional with how I spent my money. The key is to start small. Just one step is all it takes to build momentum. Once you begin, you'll be surprised how quickly it adds up and how good it feels to take control of your finances. Which of these steps will you try first? I'd love to hear from you, so let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Money Map for more real-life finance tips, simple saving strategies, and smarter money moves every single week.